Okay, I'm going to go install this bookcase. My quick 2-coat paint finish is nice and dry. I'll show you what it looks like here. It's not a real built-up finish. You can still see a lot of the grain in the wood. And I didn't do any sanding on these shelves, so this is just how it comes out of the planer. So you can still see some of the tool marks from the cutters of the planer, but when you feel it, it just feels nice and smooth, just like a nice paint finish. And so it just takes 2 coats and it's good enough. So another added feature benefit of building a bookshelf this way with the center shelves removable is that I'll be able to pick this up and transport it by myself. It's just light enough that I can handle it myself, but if I had all of these shelves in, that would add another 30% to the weight of the product and make it more cumbersome to move around, and I would definitely need help. But this way I can do all the work myself and I don't need any help. So the big payoff of building it this way is going to happen when it's time to install it. So I missed a spot.